I am such a daddy's girl. Join me in celebrating my daddy on this, his birthday. He's no longer physically here, but he is in my heart. I miss my daddy so much. I love my dad. And I look just like him.